I wanna try to drink milk right now. And yesterday, I remember I've ever put a milk on a freezer, and let's see, is there any milk or is out of stock? So let's see, guys. See, milk. Let's try to find out milk over here. Yeah, I can see, and also you can see milk over here. And so that's mean let's try to find out milk outside. But outside the rainfall, but a little I suppose can afford it. And also I take my umbrella to prevent me from direct rainfall. So let's go ahead. And so let's go for it to find our drink outside. I need to walk for about 100 meters ahead. I try to talk slowly because my friends ask me before since I start to talk in English. Okay, got it. So right now we arrive in Milk South and I came across milk 1 liter and I don't find the milk that I often drink. And let's see the prices for uh 20,000 rupiah, Frisian flag, Greenfield 26,000, but I prefer with vanilla than chocolate. So I don't take this chocolate right now. So let's see right next to the Alphamart. It takes only 40 meters and we arrived. Gee, yeah, I know this place. I'm familiar with the milk self, and we came across a diamond, and I start to read the ingredient of this milk. 100% milk, pure milk. I consider to buy um 44 44% milk and 47 um another mix. I don't know. I'm not familiar with chemistry, by the way. And so let's see what milks that I want to buy right now. I always bring this blue one as a place of my groceries, and today I only buy milk and I put right inside of this bag. And so I try to reduce of plastic use, and so that's why I included to the uh, green environment, isn't it? Okay, it came out.